Good evening. D. Haig here, Haig Boy Studios. Just a real quick message about the Corsair Dark Core RGB mouse. I've got the QI version, wireless charging, that came today in the mail as my Christmas present. So we're unboxing it early and playing with it, and just wanted to pass this along. It's on sale right now at Amazon. It's only $60. That's $30 off the price. The regular USB charging mouse is still at 80 bucks. So a great deal. And the nice thing about this is it does come with a USB cable, and you can charge it USB, so you don't even need to invest the cost into a QI wiring system. Like the mouse, not probably as much as my Logitech, but I'm going to keep it. It's good. My only real complaint after using it for 2 hours is the scroll button to click it down, really stiff. But other than that, it's nice. A lot lower profile than the Logitech. We were using the MX Master 2S. But for the price, and it's got RGB, we're going to keep it. And of course it uses the IQ software, which we already have because we have a Corsair keyboard. You do have to reprogram everything, like when you have profiles, because the lighting is always black on the existing profiles, and of course you have to reprogram all your different mouse button keys. But it's a 9-button programmable mouse. I think for the price, good value at this discount. Not sure I'd pay 90 bucks for it, but for 60, not too bad. So hopefully good Christmas present for somebody out there. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed and was helpful. Haig Boy Studios out.